the thing, yeah. You know what I see is dollar signs. I hypnotize. I'm on.
You see me? Wait a minute. Let them hoes get into it. Period. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Claudia and you are so very welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be giving you guys all the details about this hair. I just got it installed and the curls are falling because I did have to drive back home and things like that. But get into this hair. You see me? Do you see me? Okay, but do you see this lace? I know you can't see it because it's not there. This is my real hair. I just got a silk press, okay? My hair grew down my back, period, okay? But in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys all the details about this hair that I did purchase from Amazon. And stay tuned to the very end because I did record like a quick time lapse of me getting the hair installed. This hair was installed by Yatara's Hair City. She is so bomb. Please. The hair speaks for itself. The install speaks for itself, okay? This hair was purchased on Amazon and it was the Alipearl vendor. So you guys just stay tuned and I will give you guys all the details on this hair. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up because this hair is bomb, period, and I'm putting you on, so I deserve a thumbs up. And that's on what? That's on period. So stay tuned and I will give you guys all the details. The link will be down below and yeah. So this is pretty much how the hair came. It came in the Amazon brown bag, and then it came in a white bag with a label of the description of the hair, followed by a pink bag, and inside of that was the hair. I got a wig cap, an elastic band, a care card, a thank you card, the basics, and then the hair came in like a bag type thing. And then I don't know if I was expecting a box. I don't think I was, but usually the hair comes in a box, but I don't know why this one came in a rubber. I don't know if it's because it's from Amazon, but whatever the case may be, I don't care. I just want my hair. The lace was pretty good. This is what it looked like. The construction was, it had a comb in the back, 2 combs on the sides, and then there was like a little bit of lace in the back. And then that's how thick it was.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes they can fall back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go.
Alright, Alright, so now I've shown you guys the install process, and I've shown you guys the unboxing process, and I'm going to tell you guys more about the hair. And so I have like a couple of notes of things that I wanted to tell you guys concerning the hair and what I think of it so far. So I got the hair, of course, I've said this so many times in this video already, from Amazon. I paid $134 for this hair. It is 16 inches and I opted for 180% density. And also I did use Amazon Prime shipping, so it came in 2 days. Take advantage of that Prime shipping if you have it, y'all. Even if you don't have Prime, I think that they do have like expedited shipping and things like that. If you're in a hurry, you want this hair urgently, you better take advantage of that Amazon Prime. I'm trying to tell you, it comes in so clutch. And so yeah, I do have a clip of the packaging. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna put that before this part. And then also the smell. The hair didn't really have a smell. It smelled like normal hair, and it didn't really bother me. Concerning the shedding, every hair sheds, but this hair was a little much, especially when I was getting it installed. And I did ask the lady who installed my hair if it was a lot of shedding when she was plucking it and things like that, and she did say yes. So it does shed a lot, but so does all hair. Right now we can do a little quick shed test. I didn't get anything, so I'm pretty sure like in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, you know, every hair, yeah, as of now I'm not getting anything. But you know, once you all hair is like that. Once you get it and you start combing through it and things like that, you are going to get shedding. Plucking, you're gonna get shedding. Combing through it, you're gonna get shedding. But as of now, I've been playing in it all day, literally all day. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Snapchat. Then you see me all over. And so yeah, that's concerning shedding. And then also concerning the install process, super easy. I told you guys who I got it installed by, but I will leave it down below, her Instagram and everything, and I will leave a link to her Instagram down below and her booking site and everything like that. If you're in the DMV area, you know where to go. Super affordable and things like that. And then also the lace. Honestly, I believe that her install process is what made the lace so much easier to, you know, melt and match my skin tone and everything like that. This is super cute, you guys. The length is what I wanted. I wanted it 16 inches, but the density is not really as thick as I expected. I expected 180 to be like super full, and that's why I opted for 180 instead of normally I would get 150. But that really wasn't really what I got. So I don't know if it's because of Amazon or whatever the case may be, but on the bag, you know, I showed you guys, it did say 180 on the packaging. So I don't know if it was Amazon or if it was Alipearl who made that mistake, but whatever the case may be, this is what I got. I don't hate it, but I do wish that it was more fuller. And honestly, after that install that I just got, you guys, I honestly do wish that I did get longer and fuller hair. But I'm not mad at it, y'all. I'm not mad at it, and you can't be either, because I'm giving the girls what it needs to give. Okay, I am giving what it needs to give. She did what she needed to do, period. So you guys, that's all the details about this hair. I will leave everything down below, and if you have any questions at all, you can feel free to leave them down below in the description. Leave them down below in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know I always appreciate you guys liking my videos and subscribing and sharing with your friends and family as well. Super supportive. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. It's a wrap for the night. Oh, TikTok! Catch you on TikTok.
Hold on, wait! Let them hoes get into it right quick. Y'all see me? Yes, hair on fleek. You're in my business. Don't do that.
Rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you.
Okay.
If he play you, then rule number two is fuck his best friends and make them yes men.
Okay.